Gentlemen and ladies, will be giving in their time to judge the competitions at Josh 2018. Thank you. We request you to kindly have your seats. We are all set to begin. We're all set to start the first round. Thank you.
कौन सा डांस है नाम
I'm committed to enriching, developing and challenging myself in every situation that life puts me in. My strength is my confidence, how spontaneous and fearless I am, and definitely the Josh in me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Moin Qureshi and I am from Ahmedabad. अहमदाबाद से मुंबई तक का सफ़र मेरे लिए बहुत ही खूबसूरत सफ़र रहा। नई जगह मिली, नए लोग मिले, कुछ अच्छे, कुछ बहुत अच्छे। तो इन्हीं से जुड़ी सिर्फ 2 लाइनें कहना चाहूँगा। मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर, लोग जुड़ते गए और कारवा बनता गया। और मुझे यकीन है कि मेरे इस सफ़र को मंजिल तक आप लोग ज़रूर पहुँचाएंगे। शुक्रिया।
अगर आप ही खुद बताएंगे तो बेहतर होगा।
Major, I'm not in porn star, नजर संभाल के।
ओ क्या उम्र देखो बच्चों अपनी। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। थैंक यू। Wow, we can do better. Come on, look at the preparation and effort these guys have put in. Especially Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give it up really loud for this amazing sequence. And I would request Vipul sir, Vijay sir, or Zaina to welcome and felicitate Sucheta.
Abusada, mente. Abusada, mente. Mas só que a profissão das minas é. Abusadamente, ela vai batendo. Ela vai sentando. Ela vai quicando.
Performing today is their graduation day. So I came for her, and coincidentally I came early, so I could see all other performance also. And I think it's a brilliant platform to showcase their talent, all the children and all the teachers on this level, because their confidence builds up. मतलब they get they can do anything wherever they want to. They can perform, stage fear चला जाता है. So I am here to cheer up, to be very honest, NAMG, and it's a beautiful platform for the people who wants to, the girls, boys who wants to become a model. And I know all the teachers, Shakir, Diandra, and many more. I'm forgetting the name on this thing. So I put my daughter there. And this is the final product, because मेरे बोलने से कुछ नहीं होता, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर होती है. But anyways, good luck to everyone whoever has taken part here, and special good luck to NAMG guys, girls, all the best for your future.
So yeah, how was it grooming with NAMG?
I feel very special to be the first batch. To be honest, all of us were taken extra care of. The first batch was
और अंदर आ जा
too much fun. And I still wake up looking forward to something like
और अंदर आ जा
I'm very happy that I did this. I am super happy that I joined this course. I'm very excited, but I'm nervous also, but good nervous. Not like the scared nervous, like the good nervous.
Any tips you give? No, I keep giving tips. He doesn't listen to me, so I better choose my friends, set up my friends who go for NNG. And when they come to me, see, अपना बच्चा सबको प्यारा होता है. When I say my daughter is cute, but when I go to the party and Shakir comes and Diandra comes and Goen comes and they says, your daughter Deepika, Vidika is too good. Vidika is so dedicated. So I feel very proud. It coming from other people who are already professional in their own field, and they're coming and praising her. It's a very good feeling for a mother, and I'm very happy the way she's grooming. So good luck to her and good luck to everyone.
अरे तुम्हें कहाँ चले जाओ, मुझे ये बताओ.
स्टूडेंट्स जो है हमारे यहाँ बैठे नहीं एसोसिएशन what we felt is that it's a great platform where young talent which is picked out comes to the foray और उनको एक अच्छा opportunity मिल जाता है. At the same time हम लोगों को fresh faces मिल जाते हैं जो हमको नहीं दिखते हैं पब्लिक में, और इनके साथ काम करना इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाता है. You can take them through an entire journey of being nobody, becoming professional, meeting the others, expressing. जो अक्सर इंडिपेंडेंट मॉडल जब शुरू करते हैं उनको ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं मिलता. When they come forward training to it, their resume and while working. Dedication to the, it's a craft. It's not something as hobby daily. It's a craft. You have to perfect practice.
पूजा पीछे हो जाओ, बता देंगे. ज्योति पीछे हो जाओ, ज्योति पीछे हो जाओ. आप भी पीछे हो जाओ. ज्योति पीछे क्रॉस, ज्योति क्रॉस. कैमरा लुक बोलने तो यार
talent, with so much of talent, definitely are going to shine.
Hello.
I would wish them a lot of hard work, a lot of struggle in the beginning, because that is going to polish them to shine and do better in future. Because today the competition is really soaring, and we don't compete at the national level these days. We compete at the international level, the global level I'm talking about. So the more you learn, the more rigorous you're training at this moment, definitely you're gonna do better in future. Work hard is the best tip for the students, and give your 100%. Do something which you're really passionate about, because you will not feel that you're working. You will feel like you're living your dreams. Life will be just beautiful and simply a gift for you if you live your dream and if you do something which you're passionate about. So do it for your heart and give it your best. My experience with Josh is amazing, because mentorship is something which comes with a lot of responsibility, and young students need guidance. So I am living my dream through teaching children over here, or the young talent over here, and I'm sure that when they learn from people who are very passionate about their own job, they do the same in the future. So definitely it's going to be great. Thank you.
यही जोश के जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स हैं, अभी कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं, उन सबको मैं अपना कोशिश देना चाहूँगा। तो ये भी बताना चाहूँगा कि मैंने भी अपनी लाइफ की कोई स्टेज शुरू तो नहीं है, उसके पीछे बहुत ही मायने लिए वहाँ से बहुत सारे
ज्योति पीछे थोड़ा सा
आगे जाने तो किसी का भी महत्व कम मत समझिए। बस एक ही चीज़ हमेशा याद रखना, जहाँ पर भी जो भी कर रहे हो, whatever you are doing, give the best of yourself, and the rest the Almighty will take care of. Congratulations to the organizers, and in fact I'm very happy that such competitions and such contests are taking place in a city like Bombay and on the platform of national level, so that a lot of people who yet have not got enough room to show their talents and can have more opportunities to move further in life and in their career. Experience was very nice. It's always nice to be around the youngsters. जो एनर्जी होती है वो बहुत ही सही होती है। अगर आप अंदर जाओ तो करीबन 10 कप कॉफ़ी और उनकी एनर्जी तो उसको मैच कर सकते हो जिस तरह से स्टूडेंट्स चिल्लाते हैं। और स्पेशली जब मैं जाता हूँ तो जो जिस तरह से वो मुझे प्यार और रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं बहुत ही उम्दा होता है, बहुत ही ओवरवेलमिंग होता है, क्योंकि वही एक चीज़ है जिसके लिए जो भी आर्टिस्ट है हम सब काम को सो इट फील्स ग्रेट।
Josh is something which we have been living with since 13 years now, and as he rightly said, it's been always been very exciting to be with the young blood. Though we have been getting older now, but when we connect with this young chance, it definitely re-energizes us. And like our objective of this training, our focus is to build such managerial skills and this is a platform that we like to generate.
मैं मोबाइल में चलूँ ना तो
अब ऊपर लोग ऐसा getting all the front end, back end, next end production, everything that we are able to learn and take up. On the other side, this is a platform which has been utilized by all the young buddies to showcase their talent and make a
खोलेगा थोड़ा सा जी नहीं हो पाएगा रे
exciting journey. Be confident and believe in yourself. I think there is no limit to innovativeness today, and the world of information today, I think they can do wonders. So just not be regretting on any aspect if you think that you see in me. I think believing in ourselves is something which I would do.
जी काफ़ी आपको हमेशा एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ, मैं हमेशा आंसर नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि प्रोडक्शन हाउस की एक स्ट्रैटेजी होती है जिस तरह से प्रोजेक्ट कब अनाउंस करना है, कब आगे जाकर उसका दिसंबर मंथ में अब तक तो जहाँ तक मुझे पता है मैं कुछ शूट नहीं करा. I'm just gonna relax, enjoy the holiday season and end of the year. हाँ शादी हो गई, क्या करूँ अब मैं, क्या कमेंट करो. अच्छा है, लड़की सेटल हो गई, लड़का भी सेटल हो गया. इतनी खूबसूरत हमारी इंडियन फिल्म एक्ट्रेस मिली उसे, उसकी तो लाइफ बन गई. पता नहीं कितने इंडियन फैंस का दिल टूट गया होगा. बट ऑल द बेस्ट टू देम एंड मे गॉड ऑलवेज कीप इट टुगेदर. थैंक यू.
तुम पीछे आ जाओ थोड़ा.
रोलिंग.
तो बाहर आ जाओ.
मैम कैमरा लुक.
जोश देखकर एक्चुअली लगता है जो शो का नाम रखा है जोश परफेक्ट लगता है. जो कंटेस्टेंट है अपने अलग ही जैसे हमने ना इनके रोलिंग क्लासेस भी लिए थे, मुझे लगता था कि ये शायद इतना नहीं कर पाएगा, पर यहाँ पे आकर मुझे इतना आई एम सो सरप्राइज टू सी देम परफॉर्मिंग सो. मैं तो सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ अपने द बेस्ट फ्रेंड. आपका मैं टैलेंट्स ये कहना चाहूँगी कि सिर्फ आप में टैलेंट है और आप उसको परफॉर्म नहीं करेंगे कोई मतलब नहीं. आपको बाहर निकल के आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दीज पीपल आर रियली कमिंग आउट एंड परफॉर्मिंग. इतने सारे लोग ले चुकी हूँ. थैंक यू.
रोल.
जोश 2018 as it sounds it's full of जोश. स्टूडेंट ने काफ़ी मेहनत की है और काफ़ी वेरिएशन है. बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग टैलेंट मिला है. लाइक लास्ट ईयर आई वाज हियर एंड आई डिस्कवर्ड अ मॉडल who is been working professionally now with us. So I think platforms like this और जोश में आने के बाद जो यंग टैलेंट है उनको सही हैंड में और सही प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है. तो इट्स अ ग्रेट जॉब दैट NAB is putting up and such a great platform for the youngsters. I should say that. My experience was fab. It's one of those shows where you don't get bored because there's so much of variation, fashion, dance, singing, mimicry. So it's something all in one go. So fabulous. I would say contestants, be the way you are, you're real. You don't have any fear of rejection because this is your initial stage. And with this confidence, I'm sure you're going to achieve it. All the best. Tips for students, I would say the students, you have got such a great opportunity, great platform. You are at a stage where all the best professionals come on stage to help you. So grab it up and make the best of it.